YouTube, Spooky Skelly here, and today on Roblox we are playing Obby Squads. This is my first time actually playing this game. Anyways, I'm a beginner, as you can see. I don't know how to play this. I think there's a round going on right now. Yeah, there's a round. Anyways, that's what the map looks like. This is my first time, and I skipped past all the instructions because first time. Nimble ninjas, parkour pros. Oh wow. It's a waterfall. Pew, 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 pew. Click me to go AFK. Obby guide on. Radio mute off. No. Ooh, a tree. Climb the tree. Go to winners. Come on. Yep, we did it. We're here. Hello, people. Oh, crap. We're stuck. Never mind. Now let's climb up this end. Now let's keep going. What? Parkour. Waiting for a teammate to choose. Play a card. Team obstacle plays. No, I'm on the Nimble Ninjas. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you're new. We're gonna be playing Roblox and different games. I'm sorry I've been out for a while. It's because my computer broke. But I'll start recording more often if my brother lets me use the computer. Ah! We're gonna use disappearing pillars. Nope. Let me get rid of this shift block. One of the games you might find me in is it's called Booga Booga. If you guys haven't played it yet, it is fun. You should. If you're lucky enough to get in one of my servers, I might just do a video with you. Nimble Ninja. What? I don't know which one. No. Ah, dang it. Oh no, I fell out the world. Oh, now you wanna load in. What's in my inventory? Hold on. Hey, work. So what cards do I have? Let's exit this. Oh my god, there's a shop too? I know that right there on that little right there. I got some tokens. Ooh, disappearing. We got 3 shots on our laser gun. Okay. We got a barrier counter and a river bridge. Yep, that's good. That is good. Yep, we're the nimble. Well, I think. Let's do this. We already lost somebody. Let's go. Parkours. I see the path. I got better eyesight. Never. We're winning. Let's do this. I might just play this game. This game is fun. I'm a favorite this game. Yee, they won't get us. Oh, I placed those disappearing blocks for the nimble ninjas. They won't win. Oh no, they're shooting lasers. Let's do this, parkour pros. Yeah, I'm a parkour pro too. I just gotta wait till my computer gets fixed. This isn't mine. It's my brother's. We did it. We did it. We did it. Spicy. What's up, girl? Let's see if she'll accept the friend request. Spicy. I want to see if she wants to be on here. Will she? Wait. Let's follow player. Oh no, what's going on? Look at that sloth. Oh my god, a sloth. It's awesome. Ravioli. Come on, let me pick some cards. I wanna let me friend her. Oh, I'm gonna choose the right path. Why not? Oh, she has best friends. And they only pick wood plank, which is so bad. Ooh, we gotta go in a mouth. Oh my god, this is ugly. Wait, what? It made me fall off the map. What the hey? How? I went inside of its mouth, right? That's what you're supposed to do. You... Oh my god. What the heck? Let's go to packs. Oh, I think I got it. Can I? Do I have enough coins? Oh, it said I have 0. But I won so many coins. I don't know what's going on. Let's check out this. You can't sell cards in your deck. Let's get this invincible path. Disappearing pillars. Oh, I gotta remove these because there's too much. Oh no. Let's try to craft something. Does not match a crafting recipe because I didn't put anything in. Yeah. The nimble ninjas lost. Rip. R.I.P. Yeah, it's because I died. I would have beat all of them. Huh. Why are you following me? Stop following me, creep. Welcome, Spicy. Shout out to Spicy for being in my video. I'm not sure if she has a channel, but she could, well, all my YouTubers out there, if you're a YouTuber, can you follow her for a shout out at least? Ooh, this is easy parkour, bro. They're not even giving out good stuff. If I die, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh wait, I didn't. See, we're winning. That's how you know parkour pros are better than nimble ninjas. They're gonna place the same thing over and over. That's retarded. Of course we're gonna win. Look at that. Ooh, we get to go on planes. Take off in a jet. Oh my god. I was about to say, if I ain't gonna die. Heck yeah, 100 points. We're winning. This is easy. And all the people that's watching this, follow Spicy too. Wanna bet? Guys, why do people be like this? Anyways, guys, that's it for the video. I shall see you again next time.